I'm thanking them for their support, continued support for us seafarers.
Thank you, sir. And lastly, since you are a 25-year loyalty awardee, what is your message to our crew members here who are younger and who are aspiring to advance their careers with RFL? What message or advice would you like to give them?
Okay, actually I have preparing some message, just short message for to thank them and for the appreciation I have to give to our company. Yes, good evening to everyone. Praise God. To our principal, Rodrigo Flies, the Lies Philippines, GMA, I am deeply grateful for everything you have done for the past until to the present time. Thank you very much. This journey of a quarter century would not have been possible without your consistent trust, the opportunities you have provided, and your unwavering support for us, the seafarers. Your commitment to our safety, professional development, and our well-being has always been exemplary. You have created an environment that respects the sacrifices we make at sea, and for that I am deeply appreciative. And also I must extend my deepest appreciation to my esteemed colleagues, both those I have worked with recently and those from years past. The success